Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to go over how to accurately estimate the number of square feet that we scanned in a particular space, and we're going to use the property report for doing that. This is a bank that I scanned recently, and you can see here that it was two floors, floor 1 and floor 2. The first floor is showing roughly 6252 square feet. Second floor is 1,081 for a total of 7,333 square feet. I'm going to go and edit this so that we don't have all these interior walls, and it will give it a much cleaner look, and that will estimate the number of interior square feet we have. And then I'm also going to draw on the outside so that we can get an estimate of the number of exterior square footage that we have, that we've captured. And why this is important is because some of us charge by the square foot, and so it's helpful to know how many scanned square feet we have so that we can accurately bill our clients. So first thing we're going to do is go to Edit Layout. And then we're going to start by, we're going to click on the first floor actually. We're going to start by removing walls, all these interior walls. So to remove a wall, you're going to left click on it and then hit the delete button. And there's a lot of walls, so this will take a little bit of time. We're just left clicking and deleting. Previous to doing this, we would have to send this to a third-party company and wait for them to send us back a report on how many square feet we have. If there's a gap in a wall and you want to close that, you just left click on the dot and it will connect. Sometimes you have to zoom in really far. We'll fix that one later. AI is good, but it's not perfect. Now I think I have everything deleted that I want deleted on the inside. What I'm going to do now is make some walls. So I like to make these as straight as possible, and I know that this exterior wall was pretty straight. And so what we're going to do is come over here and I'm going to draw this out. I'm going to connect this one right here. And delete this segment and that segment and draw this over to there. And delete all these segments. Now if you need to draw a wall, you're just going to click on this icon and draw what we want. And you can keep going, drawing all the walls you need. I'm going to bring this up a little bit, right about there. And I'm actually going to draw this wall from that point over. And there you have the first floor, 6,667 square feet. Now we're going to go to floor 2, and we're going to do the same thing. There's a lot of data out here that we don't need. Okay. Delete these inside walls. Looks like we pretty much deleted everything. So now we're going to recreate it. So I'm going to start there. Go there. I'm going to go down. And then I'll do the same here. There. And here we have 1181 square feet. So it cleaned it up a lot. We have 6,667 on the first floor, 1181 on the second, for a total of 7,847 square feet. Now that's interior space. Let's say we wanted to know the exterior space. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first double click here. Sorry, I'm going to click on edit. And I'm going to call this interior floor 1. And then we're going to click edit here. And we're going to call this interior floor 2. Go back to floor 1. Now we want to know the square footage of the property. This is a public street here and a public street here. This is a private parking lot here and here. What I'm going to do is, based on what the client told me they wanted, I'm going to draw some lines. So I know that they wanted this amount scanned here. I'm going to draw a line to the building there because we're not going to do the public sidewalk here. I'm not counting that as billable square footage. I'm going to draw a line from there to the end of this parking lot right to the beginning of the public sidewalk. And we're going to go over to there, and we're going to go to there. So I've created a border of what I'm going to bill this client for. And that space is 11,383 square feet. So I'm going to edit this. I'm going to call this exterior. I actually don't like the way that that cuts in. I guess it's okay. So there you have it. Floor 1, interior, 6,667 square feet. Exterior, 11,383 square feet. Floor 2 is 1,181 square feet, for a total scanned square footage of 19,230 square feet. And so this is what I'm going to bill my client on. And there you have it. If you have any questions, comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to the video if you found it valuable. And thanks for watching, guys.